To understand the world that we live in, we tell stories. And while remixing and sharing have come to define the web as we know it, all of us can now be part of that story through simple tools that allow us to make things online. It arrived on the web in a small box, and there it has remained, completely disconnected from the data. In over a decade on the web, the only thing that has changed about video is the size of the box. It's an online tool that allows anyone to combine video with content pulled live directly. Dynamic, of links, and completely remixable, and finally allowed to break free. So every popcorn production begins with a video, and so I've made a short 20-second clip using a newscaster template that we use in workshops. So let's watch it, we'll go back, and I'll show you how we made it. Hi, and welcome to my newscast. I've added my location with a Google map, and it's live, so try moving it around. You can add pop-ups with live links and custom icons, or pull in content from any web service, like Flickr. So this is the timeline, and if you've ever edited video, you're familiar with this, but instead of clips in the timeline, what you're looking at is web events pulled into the video. Now in this popcorn production, we've got the title card, we've got a Google map that shows up picture-in-picture and take over the whole screen, 2 pop-ups bringing you some other information, and a final article with a link out to the original article. Let's go to this Google map, and I'll show you how you can edit it. The timeline, double-click the item. I've set it to Toronto because that's where I'm from. Let's set it to something else. Popcorn immediately goes out onto the web, talks to Google, grabs the map, and puts it in the display. And it's exactly the same for the people who watch your production. And it's live, it's not an image, so you click on it. Now in the video I mentioned adding a live feed, which we can do right now. So let's add and it immediately goes out to Flickr and starts pulling in images based on the tags. Now, my developers really like ponies, and so they've set that as the default tag.